To celebrate the return to traveling, Parmigiani Fleurier unveiled the Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante earlier this year. While the watch may look like a simple two-hander at first glance, Parmigiani Fleurier furnished it with a delightful and surprising new complication. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. But for now, keep on watching as we go hands-on with the new Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante by Parmigiani Fleurier to discover how this watch offers much more than meets the eye. As an authorized retailer of Parmigiani Fleurier watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the brand's models, including the Tonda PF GMT. Shop at any of our boutiques in Switzerland or from our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch to find your perfect timepiece. In 2021, under the direction of the new CEO, Guido Terreni, Parmigiani Fleurier released the entirely new Tonda PF collection as a sleek and modern version of the company's long-running Tonda collection. The fresh Tonda PF models, which included a time and date, an annual calendar, a chronograph, and a split-seconds chronograph, benefit from integrated bracelets, knurled bezels, sharp dials, and the new PF logo. With these contemporary iterations of the classic Tonda, the high-end independent watchmaker is clearly honoring its distinguished past while also looking to the future. The introduction of the Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante is the newest addition to the lineup, released in spring 2022. The real beauty always lies in the details. If we look at the watch, at first sight the Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante looks like a classical two-hands watch, but offers so much more, pure, flawless, and with a lot of attention to the details. The dial is wonderfully free from any unnecessary text. All we see is the new PF signature at 12 o'clock, nestled in an oval, and the Swiss-made marking at 6 o'clock. There are also a dozen hand-applied 18-karat gold rhodium-plated hour markers and a subtle minute track around the periphery. Everything is clean, beautifully balanced, and above all, elegant. Staying on the Milano blue dial for a moment, notice the guilloche pattern, which lends a rich texture to the face of the watch. The pattern is called grain d'orge, and that translates to grains of barley in English. The watch does not only shine aesthetically, but also technically. Now, take a good look at the dial right here. What do you see at the center? There's a pair of 18-karat gold, rhodium-plated, delta-shaped, skeletonized hands for the hours and minutes, right? Simple and straight to the point. However, let's press this pusher integrated into the lug near the 8 o'clock position. Now, what do you see? That's right, another hour hand has appeared. An 18-karat rose gold skeletonized hand that was previously hidden under the white gold hour hand. The pusher at 8 o'clock advances the local time so you can easily adjust it when traveling to a different time zone, while the rose gold hand remains in place to keep track of the hour at home. An elegant execution of a dual time display. Let's say you're back home from travels and you no longer need two time zones. Just press the rose gold pusher integrated into the winding crown and the local hour hand will catch up with the rose gold home time to hide it and revert back to two hands. Genius! For instance, according to Guido Terreni, rose gold was a deliberate choice for the home time hand and pusher inside the crown to symbolize the preciousness of home. It's a graceful interpretation of a dual time watch for the occasional traveler. It's predominantly a time-only watch for day-to-day life, but once you're jetting off to another location, it can transform to track two time zones. There's no date window, day and night indication, or 24-hour hand to distract from the essentials. The watch's unique functionality is powered by the caliber PF 051 automatic movement, which is visible through the sapphire caseback. As expected, the movement is beautifully decorated with traditional Côte de Genève pearlage and chamfering on the edges. If we zoom in closer, we see the 22-karat rose gold micro rotor that allows the movement to retain its slim 4.9mm profile. The movement includes 207 components and 31 jewels. It beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour and supplies the watch with 48 hours of power reserve. Housing the dial and movement is a nicely sized stainless steel case, which measures 40 mm in diameter and 10.7 mm thick. As one of Parmigiani Fleurier's sportier offerings, It's nice to know that the Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante case is water-resistant to 60 meters. On top of the case is a multi-textured bezel that combines knurled platinum and polished steel. Naturally, the watch retains the teardrop-shaped lug characteristic of the Tonda. Those lugs are polished, as are the edges of the integrated bracelet, which contrasts nicely with the brushed finish of the inner bracelet links and case sides. The combination of the various textures and finishes, coupled with the streamlined silhouette, makes the Parmigiani Fleurier Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante a joy to look at. In true Parmigiani style, this Tonda PF watch offers top-class finishes and flawless execution throughout. Aside from its good looks, the watch is exceedingly comfortable on the wrist. The size and sleek shape make this an ideal timepiece for a range of wrist sizes. The Parmigiani Fleurier Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante is priced at 26,000 Swiss francs. Those who know Parmigiani Fleurier understand that this is a watchmaker that pays attention to the smallest of details and takes pride in the superb quality of its watches. This whimsical, never-before-seen complication that honors the importance of home wherever your travels may take you is easy to fall in love with. Pair that with the attractive design of the watch, and I'm sure you'll agree we have a winning formula in our hands. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have this innovative Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante watch in stock. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our 3 locations in Zurich, Geneva and Lucerne to discover our collection of Parmigiani Fleurier timepieces. Alternatively, you can also visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. So, if you need a specific watch right now, Les Ambassadeurs will be at your doorstep with your new timepiece in a flash. What do you think of the Tonda PF GMT Rattrapante timepiece? If you had this watch, would you use its unique function? And do you like the new Tonda aesthetic? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other Parmigiani Fleurier timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.